Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create linked records in Airtable for 2025. Linked records help you connect data between tables so information stays organized. This is perfect for managing projects, clients, or product databases in one connected workspace. Start by opening your Airtable base, create two tables, for example one for projects and one for clients. In the Projects table, click the plus icon to add a new field. Choose Link to another record and select the Clients table. This will connect the two tables together. Now, when you add a new project, you can link it to a specific client by selecting their name from the list. Airtable will automatically create a two-way link. That means each client will show their related projects, and each project will display its client details. If needed, enable the option Allow linking to multiple records. This lets you connect one record to several others, like assigning multiple team members to a single task. It's useful for complex projects that involve several people or shared resources. For better organization, you can also use lookup or rollup fields to display related data, like a client's email or the number of projects they have. This turns Airtable into a more powerful, visual database. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.